Welcome students and parents. In this video, we'll learn one kind of pronoun that we have in the English language, personal pronouns, and how to use them. A pronoun is a word that replaces a noun in a sentence. Replace means takes the place of nouns. In our last video, we discussed pronouns and their parts in a detailed way. If you haven't watched that video, tap on the I icon to access the pronouns video directly. So, what are personal pronouns? Whenever you want to replace a noun that refers to a specific person or a thing, then we use personal pronouns to replace such nouns. Let's look at examples where he, she, it, they, and you are personal pronouns. All these pronouns refer to a specific person or thing. Let's look at the different kinds of personal pronouns we have and when we use each one. So let's take a look at the first one. Subjective personal pronouns are also known as nominative case. They act as the subject of verbs. I, we, they, he, she, it, and you are subjective personal pronouns. So, these pronouns replace nouns or nouns in the naming part of a sentence. For example, that woman has a bag. That is a naming part and woman is a noun. Let's replace noun with pronoun. She has a bag. Here she is a pronoun. Let's learn subjective pronoun with examples. I want to go abroad for further studies. We love to go shopping. Do you need anything? She worked very hard to score good marks on her test. Here, I, we, you, and she are the examples of personal pronouns, and this is how they can be used in our daily lives. Objective personal pronoun. These pronouns are also known as accusative pronouns. They act as objects/recipients of the action. Me, you, him, her, us, and them are objective personal pronouns. These pronouns replace a noun or noun in the telling part of the sentence. For example, the salesman happily sold the shoes to the girl and the boy. The salesman happily sold the shoes to them. In this example, you can see that the girl and the boy are replaced by the pronoun them. Now, let's learn objective pronouns with examples. I want you to read this newspaper. We enjoyed watching her dancing. They looked at me during the play. You are the fastest runner on the team, and we depend on you. Here, you, we, and they are the perfect example of objective personal pronouns. The pronouns you and it can be used anywhere in a sentence. You is used for both singular and plural nouns. For example, singular noun, you are hardworking, Mary. Plural noun, the teacher said you all could do much better. Here, you can be used in both singular and plural nouns. It is used for animals and inanimate things, which means non-living things. For example, my son has a cat. The cat has a long tail. My son has a cat. It has a long tail. This example tells you that it is used in place of cat in the second example, which is an animal. The boy gives the dog a basket. The dog carries the basket. The boy gives the dog a basket. The dog carries it. In this example, you can see that the basket is replaced by it, which is an inanimate thing. This is how it can be used with animals and non-living things. Solve this exercise to gain a better understanding of how personal pronoun works. Choose the best answer to complete each sentence. Here are the answers. Thanks for watching. Take a look at other videos to find out the other kinds of pronouns that we have. Please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to click on the bell icon to subscribe our channel.